Good afternoon, students. Once again, we met to continue our lesson, reflection of light at curved surfaces. Actually, we finished our lesson and we learned some of different terms, means some of the situations, some of the matters, whatever we learned from that. Means what I'm saying to you, from our past class, we learned how to derive mirror formula, how to derive the magnification formula, what is the mean of magnification, and how to draw the ray drawings, what type of images will form by the curved mirrors or spherical mirrors. Such a different we learned. And also we learned where we are using that concave mirror and convex mirror. But today we are going to talk about solutions and reflection of light at the curved surfaces. What we are going to talk about? Solutions on reflection of light at curved surfaces. Means where we are using, how we want to use that mirror formula. What we solved that 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. And also magnification, m is equal to hi by h naught or m is equal to minus v by u. How to use for different mirrors, at what situation, how we want to utilize. In what situation we have to use spherical mirror. Let's we discuss that right now to learn how to solve that. Okay, coming to that, to write the question to you. A convex mirror with a radius of curvature of 3 meter is used as rear view in automobiles if a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. What you have to solve, see there, a convex mirror with a radius of curvature of 3 meter is used as rear view in automobiles. So convex mirror is using for what? Rear view in automobiles. Rear view mirrors means we are looking the vehicles which are coming at behind of what? Any vehicle. Means side mirrors for the vehicles. See that a convex mirror with a radius of curvature, they are giving radius of the curvature. What they are giving, first we will write given what ma? Radius of curvature. Otherwise, first we will write given mirror is, what is the answer I am writing? Given mirror is convex. What is that? Convex mirror. Coming to that, what they given? Radius of curvature of a convex mirror is how much ma? Radius of curvature is how much? 3 meter. 3 meter. Okay. Is used as a rear view in automobiles. If a bus is located at 5 meters from this mirror, so A bus is there where it was at a 5 meter distance from the mirror. Means bus is an object right now. Bus is an object right now. So that's why what we can write here. So a bus, see here, if your bus is located at 5 meters from this mirror, 5 meters from this mirror. So from this means what mirror? That is a convex mirror. So from the rear view mirror, from the side mirror of the vehicle, so how much distance from that mirror, how much distance the bus was located? 5 meters. So that's why bus distance of the bus from the mirror. What you can write? Distance of the bus from the mirror. How much more that is? 5 meter. Means what you can write here? Object distance means distance of object. Distance of object. Bus is what ma? Object. See here, radius of curvature is there, and object distance is there. But what we have to find the position, nature, and size of the image. We have to find position of image. Position of image means what we can say, at what distance. Position means at what distance the image is formed. At what distance the image is formed. Understand? At the same time, nature. What type of nature? What is the character of the image? And size. Size. What we can say? Magnification. By what size it is decreased the size or increased the size of the bus. Those we have to find here. Bus means from that mirror. It means in that mirror, bus image at what distance it is forming, and what is the size. Okay, it is increased or decreased then to the real object, real bus. Okay, coming to that, how to find? We know one thing. What is the relation? We know mirror formula. Mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. See there what I am saying. Is it necessary to utilize? Of course, they are talking about spherical mirror. Spherical mirror, okay, we will use mirror formula. But is it correct to utilize this equation? Means is they given the whole relations to find the image? V denotes the image distance, U denotes the object distance, F denotes focal length. Object distance given, image distance we have to find the position of the image. So okay, not a problem. Then focal length not given. Is there given focal length? Is there given focal length? See that one focal length given in that question. Is there focal length in the question? Not there. But there is some clue to get the focal length. They given focal length, but based on some clue. What is that in the first line? Radius of curvature. How much? 3 meters. There is a relation between radius of curvature to mirror. Radius of curvature is equal to 2 times of the focal length. So focal length is equal to half of the radius of curvature. By that, how much they given radius of curvature? 3 by 2. Generally, we can write how much this is 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter. Otherwise, 3 by 2 meter. Okay. Coming to that, we have focal length and object distance. We can find what? Image distance. But we have to write with the sign convention. We have to write with the sign convention. According to sign convention. So, suppose see here, this is what convex mirror, outer curved surface. So what happened? This is a pole, object is this is and next what happened? This is focus and center of curvature. Means light ray coming by this direction from an object. Light ray coming from an object by this direction. So focal length we are measuring by this direction. So positive focal length, and object we are measuring in opposite direction of the incident light ray. So minus what? Distance of an object. So for image distance, we should not apply sign convention. We should not apply sign convention. Okay, we should not apply sign convention. We should apply for only which already given. For what we are going to find, which one you are going to find, for that we should not apply sign convention. For that we should not apply sign convention. But one thing, what we are finding that the answer should come in the sign convention. Answer should come in the sign convention. See here, 1 by focus is a positive. How much focal length we got? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus is equal to 1 by b. For that we are not writing sign convention. 1 by u object distance is negative. How much object distance where it was bus located? 5 meters. Both are meters only. We may get answer in meters only. Coming to that, what we can make this is reciprocal. We can write here according to sign convention. Okay. Coming to that, by making reciprocal to that, it will become 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by v plus into minus 1 by 5. Understand? Coming to that, what I'm saying to you here, let me transfer this minus 1 by 5 to this side. By that it will become plus. So 1 by v is equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. 1 by v is equal to LCM for those 3 5s are 15. Okay, 3 5s, 5 2s are 10 plus 5 3s are 3 1s are 3. So 1 by v is equal to 13 by 15. Means v is equal to, we can make reciprocal to that 15 by 13 meters. 15 by 13 meters. Let's we do the division of those. So 15 and 13. So 13 ones are 13. So 2 take decimal and 0. 13 2s 26. No. 13 ones 13. So you can get 7 0. Now it is possible to do something. How much you can get next after? See here, 13 5s are 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5 6. So 5 we can get 0 means 1.15. What you can get? V is equal to 1.15 meter distance. At what distance? The image will form from the mirror, inside the mirror, 1.15 meter. How much? Plus we got, because image formed inside the mirror. Image formed inside the mirror. Inside the mirror means what? Not on the screen. So what happens? We can get image is visual and erect. Visual and erect. Visual means erect image. Visual means what? The image does not form on a screen. The image does not form on a screen. Erect means vertical. It formed inside the mirror. So at what distance image formed? 1.15 meter. So the position of image is 1.15 meter. So nature is a visual erect image formed. Then size of the image. What you have to find? Size of the image. Size of the image. See there. Size of the image. Magnification is equal to hi by h naught is equal to minus v by u. They did not give a relation to that height of those. Then they given relation to find that magnification is equal to minus v by u from that. So minus how much? Plus 1.15 by object distance is minus how much? They given radius of object distance is 5 meter. 5 meter will cancel. So minus will cancel. So magnification is equal to how much you can get? 1.15 by 5. So from that what you can get? 5 ones are. So zeros and 5 twos are 5 fives are. Is it? See here. What you can get? 0, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Suppose if you want to do that, you can multiply it 5, 15 and 10, 11 and 0. So it came. So that's a magnification is 0.15. Magnification is a 0.15. Magnification is a dimensionless. Magnification is a dimensionless means no units. So how much it is? Less than 1. Magnification of convex mirror is a less than 1. Magnification of convex mirror is a less than 1. What we can say? Magnification is less than to the 1. For the convex. For concave, what we can write? For concave, magnification is greater than 1. and for plane it is equal to 1. Already we discussed those. Okay, this to find, this is the way to find, this is the way to solve the solution. This is the way to solve the solution. Understand? Are you understand this? How to solve? Let's we discuss one more problem to make clarify. Okay. An object is placed at an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of the image. Nature of the image. This is a question to start. What is the question? An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length is 15 centimeter. Find the position and the nature of the image. What we have to find? We have to what we have to find that position means at what distance the image will form. Nature, what is the character? What is the character of the image? See here, object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. Object distance, how much it is? Object placed at what distance? 10 centimeters. From where? Convex mirror. From where? Convex mirror. Given mirror is what? Given convex mirror. What mirror given? Convex mirror. And object is placed how much? Where ma? Distance of an object. Distance of object. Distance of object. Distance of object how much? At 10 centimeter. And coming to that, one more, they are talking focal length, convex mirror focal length, how much? Focal length of a mirror, of a given mirror, how much? Or convex mirror, 15 centimeter. Then we have to find the position and the nature of the image. We have to find the distance of an image. Distance of image that we have to find. Okay. Generally, see here, distance of an object 10 centimeter, focal length of mirror 15 centimeter, distance of image you have to find. We know to solve that, what we know? Mirror formula. Mirror formula. What is that? 1 by f is equal 1 by v plus 1 by u. Is it or not? Yes. Now what we have to do? What we have to do we have to find what a image distance. For that we should not apply sign convention. What already given in the question, for that we have to apply the sign convention for the mirror. Just before we found what are the positive distances by using convex mirror according to sign convention. Understand? Coming to that, what I'm saying to you, 1 by focal length. Focal length of a mirror 15 centimeter. So focal length is a positive. 1 by v. So we are going to find image distance For that, we should not apply water sign convention. And object distance is 10 centimeter. It is forever it is a negative. For whatever the mirrors or lens, object distance is always negative. Why? Because light ray coming from what object? So they are measuring distance from pole, light ray coming from object. Understand? Coming to that, 1 by 15 is equal 1 by V minus 1 by 10. This is according to what? Sign convention. So let's transfer this. 1 by V is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. So coming to that, LCM for those 15 and 10. 15 and 10. I will write once again here that 1 by V is equal 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10 for that. So coming to that, with 5 threes are 15, 2s are 10. So 5 threes are 15, 15 2s are how much? 30. So 1 by V is equal to 30 is the LCM. Okay, 15 2s are 2 1s are 2 plus 10 3s are 3 1s are 3. So 1 by V is equal to 5 by 30. V is equal to 30 by 5. 5 1s are 5 6 are. So V is equal to 6 centimeter. Image distance is how much? 6 centimeter. Therefore, image formed at 6 centimeter inside the mirror. Okay? Inside the mirror. Otherwise, the position of the image is what we can write? The position of the image is, we can write, therefore, position of image is what? 6 centimeter. It is a positive. Positive means what happened? Formed where inside the mirror, means beyond the mirror. So image is visual and what? Erect. Visual and erect. So position and nature came. Suppose if you need to find magnification, if you thought to find magnification, so again come to that minus B by U. So magnification is equal to minus B how much? Plus 6. Okay, image is a positive one according to sign convention. So coming to that, object distance is how much more? 10 minus 10. Those we can cancel. So 6 by 10 means we can get 0 0.6. 0 0.6. So again we got less than 1 of the magnification. Less than 1. Okay, this is a way to solve. How to solve the problems. How do you understand? Up to now we discussed about only convex mirror. Up to now we discussed only convex mirror. Suppose if you need to discuss about concave mirror. How do you understand this? Let's we discuss about concave mirror. Concave mirror. An object of height and object of height 5 centimeter is placed at 5 centimeter is placed at 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. Distance on the principal axis. Distance on the principal axis. Principal axis. In front of a concave mirror. In front of a concave mirror. in front of a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter, of focal length 20 centimeter. Then find position of image, find position, nature and size of image. See that this is a question. What is the question mark? An object of height. They are giving object height. What they are giving? Object height. Understand? Object height. An object of height 5 centimeter is placed at 30 centimeter. Is placed at 30 centimeter distance on the principal axis. Distance on the principal axis in front of a concave mirror. In front of a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. Of focal length 20 centimeter. Find position, nature and size of image. Find position, nature and size of image. Understand? Then how? See here. See here. Object height is given. Mirror is a concave mirror. Object placed at 30 centimeter. So on the principal axis. On the principal axis means the distance which measures on the above the principal axis is a positive. Below the principal axis is a negative. And focal length also given. So given what type of mirror to us? Given is a concave mirror. What is that? Concave mirror. Given what? A concave mirror. So object height, height of object, height of an object, height of object. How much? 5 centimeter. Height of our object means how? What is that? H naught given. H naught. Height of an object. So it is placed at 30 centimeter means distance given. Distance of an object. How much? 30 centimeter. So the given what object distance means u they given. It is a 5 centimeter they given. This is a 30 centimeter they given. And coming to that one more they given focal length. What they given? Focal length. How much that focal length? 20 centimeter they given. How much? 20 centimeter. We have to find position, nature and size of the image. Position of image means of image distance we have to find. Where, at what distance the image is forming. Okay, let's we find for that. We know that. What we know that? We know mirror formula. Why? Because we are using mirror formula. First we have to solve the image distance with relation of object distance and focal length. So 1 by focal length is equal to 1 by image distance plus 1 by object distance. So let's write. Coming to that, this is a concave mirror, inner curved surface, and this is a pole, and this is the object, this is a focus. So light ray coming from an object. So we are measuring focal is opposite direction. So focal length is a minus. Object distance also we are measuring what? Minus. Opposite direction to the incident light ray. So minus. So of course image also will form minus, but we are going to find position of image. For that we should not apply sign convention. So coming to that, 1 by focal is a minus. So focal length is a minus 20 centimeter. 1 by v plus 1 by minus u, object distance is 30 centimeters. So according to sign convention. According to sign convention. So minus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by v plus into minus minus 1 by 30. By transfer this side, what it will be plus. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by 30 minus 1 by 20. Coming to that, By doing LCM for both, for what general I will write here those two. 1 by V is equal to 1 by 30 minus 1 by 20. To that LCM, 5 6 are 5 4 are 2 3 are 2 2 are 10 6 are 60. 1 by V is equal to 60 is the LCM. 32 are 2 1s are 2. 23 are 3 1s are 3. 1 by V is equal to minus 1 by 60. V is equal to minus 60 centimeter. At what distance the image will form? 60 centimeter. So we got what with the sign convention. We got with the sign convention. Is it or not? Image forming at where? At in front of the mirror. So that's why it got a negative, because we are measuring opposite direction of the incident light ray. So image formed at 60 centimeters from a concave mirror. Okay. Then what type of image it was? What type of image means? So 60 centimeters. This is the focal length is a 20. Focal length is a 20. Object placed at 30. So object placed at 30 means it is placed where between focus and center of curvature. Focus and center of curvature. If the object is placed at focus and center of curvature, image should form at where beyond the center of curvature. Beyond the center of curvature. So beyond the center of curvature, so it should be more than to the 40. 20 is the focal, radius of curvature is a 40, more than to the center of curvature. So beyond the center of curvature. Image formed beyond the center of curvature, so it is a magnified image. It is a magnified image. Magnified image means enlarged image. What is the image? Enlarged image. Enlarged or magnified image formed. Because image formed at beyond the center of curvature. Position of image where at 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter. Okay, what type of it is real and inverted? Because using screen only we may get that. Understand? Coming to that size of what? Size of image. So magnification is equal to Hi by H naught is equal to minus B by U. So by that what we can write? Hi is the size of image. H naught is equal to minus B by U. Hi we have to find, for that we should not apply sign convention. H naught is placed on the principal axis. Placed on the principal axis. So positive. How much height of the object? 5 centimeter. So plus 5 is equal to minus, image is a minus 60 by object distance is a how much? 30 minus. So minus cancel. So by that what we can get? 31 so 32. So Hi by 5 is equal to minus 2. Hi is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Means the image formed at the downside of the principal axis. Downside of the principal axis. Understand? See carefully how we solved those. Okay, or you understand how we solved it? How we are identifying that character of the image, what type of image is forming, is it or not? Then coming to that back, one more we'll discuss. A concave mirror produces produces 3 times enlarged image, 3 times enlarged image, 3 times enlarged image of an object placed at of an object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it, in front of it, in front of it. Calculate the radius of curvature of the mirror. Calculate the radius of curvature of the mirror. That is the question. See once, what is the question we are going to discuss? A concave mirror produces 3 times enlarged image of an object. So that image is 3 times greater than to the object. 3 times greater than to the object. Placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. Object distance they are giving 10 centimeter. Calculate the radius of curvature they are tracking. See here, magnification is equal to, we have what? Hi by h naught is equal to minus v by u. They are talking about 3 times enlarged image. 3 times enlarged image. 3 times means they are giving magnification director. So concave magnification minus generally image forming by minus is before also we found. So is equal minus v by u. Minus v by u. Minus v by u. So by that how much you can get that? U is equal to, otherwise by transferring that u is equal to what we can get? Otherwise they given object distance, no? Object distance they given how much more? Distance of object is how much? They placed it at 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter. According to sign convention, what happened? So minus 3 is equal to minus v by minus 10. Minus v is 10. So by that what happened? By doing that both v is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Plus and minus plus and minus transferring that. Okay, v is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Coming to that, by using, we have to find what? Radius of curvature. We have to find radius of curvature. To find radius of curvature, before that we have to find focal length. Before that we have to find focal length. To find focal length, we know the formula. What? To find the focal length, we know mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Focal length we have to find, further we should not apply sign convention. 1 by v, so how much? 30 centimeter according to sign convention. 1 by u minus 10 centimeter. Okay, according to sign convention. So 1 by f is equal to how much you can get? Otherwise I will write here. 1 by f is equal to, so by that minus 1 by 30 minus 1 by 10. LCM of those two, 30 and 10. So 5 6 are, 5 2 are, 2 3 are, 2 1 are. So how much LCM? 1 by f is equal to 30. So 31 minus 1 minus 10 3 are. So 1 by f is equal to minus 4 by 30. Minus 4 by 30. So from that what we can, focal length is equal to minus 30 by 4 by making reciprocal. Focal length is equal to, by doing that division, what we can write? See here, 2 2s are, 2 15s are. Means what we can get? 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. So focal length is a 7.5 centimeter. Generally focal length is a 7.5 centimeter. So then what about radius of curvature is 2 times the focal length. So radius of curvature is 2 times of the focal length. So radius of curvature is equal to, what we can write? 2 into focal length is a 7.5. So r is equal to, we can write what? 15 centimeter. Radius of curvature is a 15 centimeter. Of course, it is not a negative. Why? Because focal is a negative. If you use what r is equal to 2 into focal length according to sign convention minus 7.5. By that we can get minus 15 centimeter. Generally we found with the numerical values. Okay. By sign convention we can write the same as further to find the radius of curvature. See once by giving object distance and magnification. By giving magnification object distance, we found the image distance and also focal length and also what radius of curvature. See that? Okay. One more question we will discuss then. Here one more question we will write. An object is kept at distance of 20 centimeter. Distance of 20 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. In front of a concave mirror. The focal length of the mirror is how much? 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. Then we have to find. We have two type of question. One is what is the image distance? What is the image distance? And the second question is what is the magnification in this case? What is the magnification in this case? Okay, see that question. An object is kept at a distance of 20 centimeter. Object distance they are giving. So distance of object, how much? 20 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Given what? Concave mirror. Okay, coming to the distance of object they given 20 centimeter and also focal length given. Focal length of the mirror is equal to 30 centimeter. First question we have to find image distance. What we have to find? Image distance. We have to find image distance. How to find image distance? So let's find image distance. We know the formula. We know the formula what? We know the mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Coming to that focal length given, image object distance, image distance we have to find. Already we discussed it. For what you are going to find further, we should not apply sign convention. So 1 by focal length is negative for concave. How much focal length? They given 30 centimeter minus 30. 1 by v plus 1 by minus 20 according to sign convention. So 1 by v is equal, by transfer this side it will plus minus 1 by 30. So 1 by v is equal, by doing that LCM 20 and 30, 5 4s are 5 6s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 10 and 6. So how much we can get that? 60. 3 to the 6, 6 10s are 20. 3s are 3, and here how much you can get? 30. 2s are 2. Okay, and coming to that 1 by v is equal to how much you have to get? 1 by 60. 1 by 60. See here, what I'm saying to you, focal length is a 30, object placed at a 20. See, we got image distance is a positive 60 centimeter. Positive 60 centimeter. Why we got positive 60 centimeter means, see once, this is a concave mirror, focal length and center of curvature. Our focal length is how much, ma? Focal length is 30 centimeter. Object placed at 20 means it is between pole and focus. Between pole and focus. 20 means one light ray is parallel, it takes reflection through focus. Another light ray we are taking through the pole, it gives. So they never meet somewhere, they never meet anywhere. That's why by extending that reflected light rays to make it image where it inside the mirror. Inside the mirror means the distance we are measuring from pole in the same direction of incident light ray. So that's why it gives what a positive image distance. And also erect, visual, highly magnified. Erect, visual, highly magnified. Understand? Coming to that, then we'll find what magnification. Magnification is equal to what we can find, minus V by U. Minus, according to sign convention, is 60 plus only, no? 60 by object distance is minus 20. So minus minus cancel, 21 is 23 is. So magnification is 3. So it is greater than to the 1. Concave mirror magnification is greater than to the 1. Okay, greater than to the 1. Understand? See once how we are solving that. Magnification is greater than to the 1. Magnification of concave mirror is greater than to the 1. So by that different situations, we have to identify where the image is formed without solving. See how it is possible to discuss. Let's we talk one example. I'm giving to you concave mirror, object distance, image distance, and focal length is a, what you can say, 15 centimeter. Focal length is a 15 centimeter. Object is placed at 15 centimeter. Okay, object is placed at 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter, and 40 centimeter. Okay, see here what I'm saying to you. So by this giving values, what is the image distance and what is the means where the image will form, By looking these values only we can identify the image will where it will form. Where means, see here, this is a concave mirror and this is a pole and this is a focus and center of curvature. Focal length is said 15 centimeter. What is the distance? That is a 15 centimeter. So first situation, object placed at where? On the focus. On the focus means what happens? Image should be at infinity. Image should be at infinity. So it is unknown distance. So you may get infinity answer. Understand? Without using 1 by f is equal 1 by v plus 1 by u, what we can say, mirror formula, we can predict the answer where the image will form. Coming to the 10 means object distance, 10 means it is placed between pole and focus. Image formed beyond the mirror. Image formed beyond the mirror. Means what happened? It is erect and virtual. Okay, enlarged image, magnified image, highly magnified. 20. Object is placed at 20 centimeter means what? 20 centimeters between what? 15. This is means this is also 15. Total is a 30. Object placed between focus and center of curvature. Object placed between focus and center of curvature. Means image should be beyond the center of curvature. Means it is more than 30. More than 30. It is more than 30. Means this is more than 30. And 30 means at center of curvature. Object placed at 30 means center of curvature. So image will also form at a center of curvature, downside the principal axis. And 40 means what? More than 30 means it beyond the mirror, beyond the center of curvature. Beyond the center of object is placed at where? beyond the center of curvature. If object is placed beyond the center of curvature, image should be between focus and center of curvature. Between focus and center of curvature. By that, what happens? What we will identify? Image distance between 15 to 30, 15 to 30, wherever it will be. Like we have to predict, we have to estimate the answer where it will form by giving object and focal, and by giving image and focus. Understand? So this is the pattern to identify. This is the pattern to identify. Understand? This is our lesson for today, and we will see in the next class. Have a good day to you. We'll meet in the next class.